Hey guys, Biker Brad, and today I'm in my mum's shed. Why the fuck am I in my mum's shed? Because I've convinced her to swap it back with me. So in today's video, I'm getting rid of all the shit in here, and I'm swapping back with my shed. So this will be my shed again, and I get to use the big workbench and stuff again. Yes, yes. Now, if you guys haven't seen, I actually uploaded a video about 2-3 years ago of where my mum reclaimed this shed, sort of thing, and she got this shed. So now, this is me, this is my comeback. I'm back here now. Suck your mum. So I've already started to move in some bits out, like all our Christmas decorations and that, you know what I mean? And I've just got to then start moving all this shit out of here. Obviously a few bits in here are mine, for example, the old lawnmower down there, you guys might remember. And then got a strimmer up here as well. And yeah, got bare shit to fucking get rid of. So let's do it. The shed is now empty. Just need to go through, give this thing a sweep. And oh my god, the acoustics in here are so echoey now that everything's out empty. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through, give it all a good sweep, sand out any surface that needs to be sanded, ready for paint. Yeah, look at that fucking great big pile of shit. You know what I mean? Oh, you can hear me better out there as well. Less echoey. Fucking echoes. And I'll tell you what, those bits of angle iron, because there's two there stacked together. Oh my god, were they a ball ache to lift up. Like, they aren't a ball ache, but they were heavy, you know? That piece by itself was a piece of piss. Those two though, oh. Gotta get this last bit of bunting off. Shouldn't keep that. I don't want any of this, mate. I do not fucking want it. Oh, there you go, mother, you can keep that. Oh my god. Fucking hell. All this shit I built before. This actually spins. Obviously it's been sat on this shed for a long time, but it used to spin properly. Yeah, pretty mad. Oh shit, a spider just fell out of that. Hello mate. And you can see where I was in here before, because right here, that's where I used to hang all my spanners up. That is like starting from fucking 8mm all the way up, and you see the spacing gets pretty big. And then I used to hang my hammer up there. Fucking all sort of pliers and shit there, I had a TV there. Oh, it's crazy. I built this leather bench myself, actually padded as well. Homemade leather bench. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking with the fucking cleaning up. What have you forgot? Where's your collar? Hey? You noisy fuck. Where's your collar? Subscribe to Biker Brad right now. So here we are, the shed is all done now, all the stuff is back in, and oh, I'm so excited. Basically, now we've just got to do upgrades to the shed, but the actual moving in process is done, and all of my stuff is in here, and I'm so happy to be back in here. It's amazing, because I've got this entire workbench now, I've got my big vice back on here, well, it's a little vice, let's just call it big. And yeah, still got to sort out some tools over there. I've already sorted them, I know what is there, but they need to go on like the new parts for like the wall rack and stuff. Got the electric scooter 1, electric scooter 2, got Kaiser engine. GY6 engine, then you got YBR engine, mini motor engine, you know what I mean? You got the new fucking John Wayne number plate. So, yeah, you've got plenty of stuff in here, everything's going mint. You got my old GSX 750F fucking race cow, my old Mark IV Golf mirror from the last Golf you guys see. You know what I mean? Plenty of stuff in here. The other Celica bumper for the fucking Celica. The shed's coming along beautiful. Also even got my pigeon mudguard right there. Good old pigeon, love him. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more shit. This is just the beginning because this is the new JBS fucking... JBS? What? I changed my name like time ago. It's Biker Brad now. And Behind Brad's Bikes, which is this channel right now. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, the second channel, and the main channel, go do that right now. But anyway, yeah, right. This shed is done. This video is also done. And I'm going to see you guys next time. So, peace.